Hi kids, I hope you all are safe in your houses. So stay safe and stay healthy. Now new day, new activities. Now today we will understand some the different rooms in our houses. What are the different rooms in our houses? You live in a house, okay, and in a house each room is specified identically. So we will understand today different rooms in the houses. What are the names of the rooms in the houses? Okay, so let's start by first room in our house, that is the drawing room. The first is drawing room. As you can see in this pic, drawing room में क्या क्या पड़ा है? सोफे and television. So basically in drawing room, whenever the guest come, they will sit in the drawing room. Okay, so basically drawing room is a room in which guests come and talk something important, or guests come and they sit in the drawing room. So drawing room is the first room in our house, and whenever anyone come in our house, so they all sit in the drawing room. कोई भी अपने बेडरूम में नहीं लेके जाता उन्हें, कोई भी अपने किचन में नहीं लेके जाता बात करने के लिए. So whenever guests come, they sit in the drawing room and talk. Okay, now the second is the kitchen. As you can see in this picture, kitchen में क्या क्या होता है? किचन में यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं, वहाँ पे फूड बनता है, एंड वहाँ पे क्या क्या होता है? वहाँ पे ऑल पल्सेस, दाल सब रखी होती हैं. सो किचन में हम क्या खाते हैं? खाना खाते हैं. सो किचन इज़ द सेकेंड रूम इन आवर हाउस, एंड किचन में सब कुछ फूड बनता है, एंड वहाँ से आप खाना खाते हो. सो किचन इज़ द second room in our house. So what we call kitchen? What we call it? Kitchen. Okay. And the third room in our house is bedroom. What? Bedroom. Bedroom means in which you sleep. जहाँ पे आप सोते हो. As you can see in this picture, there is one bed and a beautiful decor with you can sleep. जहाँ पे आप सोते हो, जहाँ पे जब रात हो जाती है तो आप सोते हो ना, तो you cannot sleep in drawing room. You will sleep in bedroom, because in drawing room guests come and that room is not meant for sleeping. Bedroom is meant for sleeping. So bedroom में आप सोते हो. Now the last room is bathroom. Means bathroom, जहाँ पे आप नहाते हो, where you bathe, जहाँ पे आप नहाते हो. As you can see in this picture, in bathroom, what are the essential elements required? That is soap, water, and tap, bathtub. As you can see in this picture, that in bathroom, what are the essential requirements? Soap, bathtub, tap. Okay, so bathroom में आप नहाते हो, you bathe in bathroom. You will not bathe in kitchen, because kitchen is meant for fooding and bathroom is meant for bathing. So each room is meant for their specification. Okay, so you have to learn these rooms by pictures, and you have to speak these pictures. You have to speak these rooms, or you have to tell these rooms to your mother. That is this room, that is kitchen, that is bedroom. So what are the 4 rooms in our houses? First is drawing room, where guests come and sit and talk. Second is kitchen, where food process start, where you can eat, that is meant for fooding and eating. थर्ड इज बेडरूम, दैट इज मेंट फॉर स्लीपिंग, जहाँ पे आप सोते हो. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज बाथरूम, विच इज मेंट फॉर बेदिंग, जहाँ पे आप नहाते हो. ओके, सो लर्न दीज पिक्चर्स by heart and tell to your mother. Okay, bye bye.